What's up, my artists? So I am going to walk you through how to sign up for an open studio time. It'll be the same process whether you want to come in the morning or after school, but this is only for open studio. So obviously if you need to come for advisory, you just ask for a pass. All right, so you're going to come over here to calendar. Now, when you open up calendar, it might have other things for your other classes, like when you have a quiz or a test or something, that'll probably show up. To specifically find what you're looking for from me, you're going to have to come over here where it says appointments, and you're going to click on this button that says find appointment. So you'll click on that. Make sure that you click for me, Art 1 with Miss Mills, and then hit submit. Now you'll see that once you have done that, a bunch of open studios will pop up. So make sure that you're clicking for the correct time. So obviously if it says 8:20, that's a morning one. If you're wanting to stay after school, then that's the starting at 4:05 one, okay? So once you click on the time that you like, all you have to do is hit this button that says reserve. You don't need to type in your name anywhere, just hit reserve, okay? Now, in the off chance that all 30 students sign up before you get to it, then that button won't be there. But it's very rare for 30 kids to sign up for an open studio, okay? That's just how many kids I can keep in my room. Alrighty, so that is literally all you have to do. If you still have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message on Canvas. But other than that, that is exactly how you sign up for Open Studios.